Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to Martyn Lucas Investor. Well, we're getting prepared now for Tesla earnings. We're getting ready and we're running a poll right now on my Twitter account to see if you think Tesla will go up or down on earnings. Here it is. Here is the poll. Take part in it. There it is on the screen. I'll give it you 3 times. If you can see it there right now. If you go over to here, you'll see the Tesla poll. We've just launched it a couple of seconds ago. And leave me your thoughts as well, what you think the prediction will be. Up 10%, down 10%. Give me your thoughts in the comments as well. Leave me your comments, all right? So there we go. We got 16 votes in the first minute of doing it. So that's a popular poll. And 62% are saying up. Oh, there we go. 70% saying up now. 20 votes. Look at that in just the first few moments. Wow, that's a popular poll. All right, let's have a look. Let's see what happens. We'll come back to that in a minute. Right, this is my portfolio on the other hand. And looking pretty tasty right now. It's been a good day. Hopefully you've all made some money. Hopefully you've all banked profits. I hope so. I was sharing you what I was banking this morning. Let's have a look. Here we go. I'm just about an all-time high. I've never reached $40,000 on my portfolio before without margin. When I had $50,000 of margin, it was a different ball game. Then we've got my Roth IRA. That is near an all-time high. Look, there you go. We are $47 away from an all-time high. Let's have a look at what we've done today. We sold Goldman Sachs. We took 1%. We sold Netflix. We made 10%. I trimmed off the top and I made 1% with Johnson & Johnson. Right thing to do. It's been bouncing around its entry point all day today. I bought some more Rivian. I bought some more Tesla, and Tesla's made money. I've held my position on Virgin Galactic. That's where we are. Let's see if I can start on TikTok. We seem to be having an error with TikTok this afternoon. Ah, there we go. It's working now. We had an error earlier. Let me turn the camera around and mirror there. Okay, we're live with it. There are a few errors on TikTok at the moment. You can't actually name the stream, which is a bit weird. Anyway, there we go. Let's get straight into it. That's a bit weird. We had 20 votes. It's gone down to 16. How bizarre is that? Look at that. That's bots for you on Twitter. You see that there? Look. That we went to 22 votes and it went down. That'll be Twitter removing bots. That's quite incredible. 22 votes and now it's gone down. Oh, now 24. Look at that. Up and down. Very, very odd. Bit of Twitter botting going on there by the looks of things. Anyway, we'll keep our eye on it. Right, here we go. So let's see. We've got an hour to go before this show ends, and then we go over to the Tesla earnings. Let's have a look. The S&P is up 0.04. Let me just see who's here. We had Mika Flemons. I have to say, I do like Mika Flemons' tie and suit. He's a man after my own heart. Look, he likes making an effort and dressing up. I like it. Mika, is he in the chat? He is. Mika Flemons, love the suit. Good man. Make the effort in life. It always pays off. Tuna Sub, a good afternoon to you. Mike, hi Bill. Bill is back as a silver member, folks. Yep, he's back. Hello traders, T.O. Roll, investors and crusaders. T.O. Roll, I like it. Sid from the Netherlands is here. How are you? Eric B is here from the United States of America. Let's go, Power Hour. Get them all. Good afternoon, Ed Nevius. I love it. T.O. Roll, when they say up, I say down. Did you buy in Tesla before the earnings and why? Yes, I did, and I will tell you why in a minute. Space went up today. We'll discuss that in a second. Was it Ali? Was it AI hallucinating? I've no idea. T.O. Roll. Look, it's 24 votes now. We've got one comment. I want to know your thoughts as well. So if you want to take part in our Tesla poll, here it is. And there's a Tesla poll in the chat 3 times there. We got one comment. Show the replies. I wonder if it's a bot. Let's have a little look. Eric B. I am ready to buy the dip. Buy the 10% dip. Very good. I wish you best of luck with that. So I'm going to wish Eric B good luck. And anybody here, I'll reply back to everybody so it promotes your posts. Happy to do that, especially for my members, of course. And let's bring it up again. Okay, so we've got 25 votes now. We'll keep our eye on it, and we'll see how it goes throughout the afternoon. Getting excited about the giveaway in Tips channel. We'll post all lessons with video links for all one-on-one excited Ed Nevius. You should be. I mean, seriously, it's the best ever giveaway we've ever done. 1,194 tickets. Over 40 people now have taken part. It's by far the biggest ever giveaway. 1,194. 1,000, yes. And we've added another opportunity this afternoon. How many times do what's the magic number in the Tesla video? You need to watch it all the way through because there might be a calculation. Okay, so when you watch it, there's the link. So let's say you put down, I don't know, 67. 67, is that right? 67. No, it's not 671. See? You have to go through it. You have to go through it, and the only way you can do that is watch the whole of the video. And it's worth a whopping, what's it worth? 10 tickets. There you go, to win Ed Nevius's $1,000 value prize. Absolutely great. All the information is there for you. All right, if you're over on TikTok and you want to be part of our giveaway, come into YouTube, links in the profile, and say, I want to be in your best ever giveaway. Just say it in the live chat, and I will put you in. We're giving away a $1,000 value prize, $100 in cash, and 15 hours of one-on-one tuition with Ed Nevius, scalp trader extraordinaire. It's best ever prize we've ever done. Very excited about it. All right. Let's have a look. SPCE went up today. Did I buy it at 340? No, it's very, very weak. This is my long-term position. I'm not adding to it. I'm not spending any more money. I'm holding my position. But the fact I've got no risk, I can take this now all the way to $100. I've made my money. I've sort of clawed my way back out of it. If it goes to $3, yeah, I'll buy some more. But that's really it. The cash went to, oh my gosh, we have just increased the cash giveaway. The cash has gone up to $125. There it is, just announced in the chat. We are now giving away $125 as well as the $1,000 giveaway. Incredible. Ed Nevius, you are an absolute legend. Virgin Orbit is a big up. Yes, it is. 69%, 70%. Be very, very careful, though. This is being delisted. Okay? You can't buy into this stock right now. Look, it says here, you can't buy, you can close out, but you cannot purchase additional shares. You can't buy into this company right now. You can only close out. Virgin Orbit is going to come back as a new company. What this is doing now are people are scalping it to get out of it. That's all they're doing. And you can't buy in, not on Robinhood anyway. I believe there are other accounts where you can, but not everywhere you can't. Over the counter you can. But look, it's going down as fast as it went up. This is not a place for me. It's a very, very dangerous place. Basically, you're playing Russian roulette. That's what you're doing here with a bankrupt stock, a company that's being delisted. You're playing Russian roulette, and at any moment you'll get left, and you don't want to be that guy. So it's not for me. I wish you all the very best if you're playing it, but straight up, straight back down. There you go. All right. Be very, very careful. Rivian going sideways all day. Tesla, I bought another 3-4 shares this morning, and I'm up on it now, 5.67. We're over $2,000 now in Tesla, and it's near where I want it to be, 15.37 allocation. I want 20% of the 5%. So I've got money on hand. I've got $708 if it drops. We'll know in an hour from now or thereabouts. If it drops, I will buy. I've got a buy orders at 150. So get ready to pick it up. Or if it rides up, I'll just hold it now. Okay, let's carry on. Wow, says Mike. I know Ed is stepping up the game. This competition could go wild. I would love to get 150 before the giveaway. He's trying to make some money to give away an even bigger prize. Love Vorb. Made so much money with it. Invested all profits into options and lost it all. Love Vorb. Made so much money with it, invested all profits into options and lost it all. Please be careful, guys. Sensei's telling you there. Please be careful. We're investors, not gamblers. See it going straight back down? This is people that are desperate to make money from something. And that is the worst mentality to have if you are... Look at it, look. This is absolutely insane. I'm going to record this. Here we go. Breaking news here on Martyn Lucas Investor. You join us on Virgin Orbit as it exploded up 70%. And I said it would go right back down again, and it is. Listen, guys, I don't know what it is, but there are several traits to investors and gamblers, and I put the two together. They are separate, but they are joined at the hip, it seems. We are here to invest, not gamble. The facts are quite simple. Virgin Orbit is being delisted. It's no longer going to be trading under this ticker. What is happening now is we're dividing up the assets before it goes and gets delisted completely. What is happening now, most decent brokerages, like Robinhood, you can see on the screen, are not allowing you to buy in. You can't buy in. That's the responsible thing to do. So very few people can buy in. However, there are some over-the-counter access where you can get in. Over-the-counter, you've seen the Wolf of Wall Street. Rubbish stocks, completely nobodies living out of a back bedroom can trade. That's what OTC is. Right now, what you've got this company in certain places is being bought in and dumped. It went straight up, and it's gone straight back down again. Be very careful. You don't want to be the man holding the bag when it's all done. Because what will happen when it is done and dusted, you will get what you're given. And that could be a cent on the dollar. Simple as that. So if you've got $1 worth of stock, you'll get a cent. That's what will happen. So if you think this is an opportunity and you can access it and you see it going up 70%, all you're doing is playing Russian roulette with your money, because all of a sudden it will drop. And it's designed to allow people to get in and close their positions. It's not intended for you to get in and think, oh, I can become rich on doing absolutely nothing. Now, of course, just like Russian roulette or the national lottery or a casino, you can win. But the winners are going to be very few and far between. 99% are going to be left holding the bag. If I thought this was a buying opportunity, and I'm very pro-Virgin Galactic, and very pro-Virgin Orbit, if I saw this as a buying opportunity, an investment opportunity, I would jump all over it. I've got money on hand. I could raise 20, 30 grand in 5 minutes and buy it and become a millionaire in 5 minutes, but I'm not. And there's a reason why I'm not, because it's a crazy thing to do. So if you are thinking of doing it, go in with your eyes wide open. Know exactly what it is you're doing. Know exactly your strategy. Make sure that you can sell it just because you can buy it. Well, if you can buy it, you'll be able to sell it. But make sure that you know what your strategy is. Remember, because this stock moves so quickly, a stop trail order probably won't work during the opening hours. Now, in after hours pre-market, trailing a stop order won't work anyway. But during the main hours, with a stock that is so fast moving, 70% down to zero in a second, then you might set a stop trail loss at 1 cent or 5 cents or 1% or 2%, and it doesn't mean to say it's guaranteed to go through. There are brokerages that offer the insurance to guarantee your price, but that's very expensive. That insurance is there for the specific purpose for people trading. However, if you're a small retail investor like me and everybody else watching here, you can't afford insurance. It makes no sense. Now, yesterday, we watched this stock, Barcode. This is barcoding right here. You see that very strong very strong lines there. That is barcoding. What that is, that's algorithms. Algorithms, people with super quantum computers on the stock market, the New York Stock Exchange and different locations around the world, buying in and out in microseconds. They're smarter than you. They have more money than you. They have better technology than you. You cannot beat the system. So understand what you're buying. You're buying a stock that's being delisted. You're buying a stock where many brokerages don't even allow you to buy in, so it's not getting its normal volume. And you can tell that by all these little dots along the bottom of the screen. The volume is low. What we do get, however, is whales come in and buy a million shares in 5 seconds and sell them in 5 seconds. In fact, 1 second. Using algorithms, supercomputers, and so on and so forth. That's not a place for me. That's like me walking into the lion's den thinking I can take on a lion with my bare hands. You might get lucky. You might get lucky. But the odds are so highly stacked against you, I would highly recommend you not doing it. Okay? So anyway, there is a little update for Virgin Orbit. Are you in this? Are you playing this game? Somebody is, but don't let it be you, because I don't want anyone to come back tomorrow and say, I lost all my money on Virgin Orbit. Understand what it is, understand who's playing it, understand the algorithms, understand barcoding, and for God's sake, make an educated investment choice, not a gamble. Until next time, take care of yourselves, take care of your money, and take care of each other. Bye-bye for now. Okay, I'll put that out at the end. I know lots of people want to know what's going on with Virgin Orbit. I don't know how best to say it, really. What time was that? That was 34 minutes. 34 minutes. 34 mins. And that is Vorb. Q. Okie dokie. All right. Okie doke. Let me clear some of these comments a minute. Clear that down. There we go. Done it. All right, and down she goes again. Let's read some of your thoughts while I was doing that. Good words, Martyn. Alberto G, you're very welcome. I just don't want to see anybody here lose all their money. I thought it was delisted. Yes. Where does it trade, though? Over the counter. I thought it was delisted. Yes, it is. Good afternoon. Yes, I believe in my heart. If I can help others to be safe and learn new tools to better the edge, it helps. And understand so important risk management. It is very important, Ed. What a great guy. Good words, Martyn. Hi, everyone. Sorry I'm late, Silver Surfer. No worries at all. Hi, all. Keaton S. Knockout, says Mike. Kick the lion in the balls. You should have posted that while I was saying it. So they speculate it will come back to the NASDAQ listing for our higher share. So they speculate it will come back to the NASDAQ listing for our higher share price. It'll come out under a different ticker. KO, Mike, 100% Martyn, algorithms and AI. But understand you can still scalp. BlackRock has the best AI for now. Mohammed Swellham, you did say you bought Tesla while you already said it's too expensive and you'll buy at a maximum 150. Yes, I did, and but I've been scalping it. I've been taking money along the journey. So even though I've paid more than 150, I recognize it was going to go up today. Everything told me it was going to go up, and it did, and I was right. And I've been scalp trading it along the journey. So by buying it at 179 and selling at 184 over and over again, and I've been doing that now for the last week, I've made my money. So effectively, I've got it. Now I bought back again today. I've effectively got it for 150 because I've made all those profits along the way. Remember, on my Roth IRA, I can trade as many times as I like for free, tax-free, no tax at all using my Roth IRA. So I can trade it as much as I want, sticking in with the pattern day trading rules, which I could turn off and trade unlimited, but I choose to slow my speed down so I can get my stock lending and my uninvested cash. They are two things you would lose if you get pattern day traded, which is not a problem, by the way. It's just the way I'm choosing to trade right now. But yes, I've made money on Tesla. And you can see I only had like 4 shares. I've now got 11 and I'm up $116 on it, 6% up. It's going perfectly. So what the plan is now, I have orders in place to buy at 150. The moment it goes down if it goes down in the earnings, it won't concern me because I've already made my profit from it. If it goes back down during the earnings, I'll pick up another handful. I've got plenty of money to buy more. So there we go. Just like Bed Bath and Beyond, now it's dumping. Now it's dumping scam stocks. Absolutely right. Be very, very careful. Mohammed's right there. Bill is here. Bill has become a member again, and he's got his gold badge. He's back with his silver membership and a gold badge. Algorithms and AI take away emotions. They do. Tomorrow is 420 Weed Day. Senator Schumer will talk about marijuana reforms and its progress to legalize cannabis. Very nice indeed, Mohammed Kahine. Thank you for that. LOL, love silver, says Ed Nevius. Legal here in Canada. So your opinion, it'll break 184 after earnings. I don't know, and I don't care. I don't need to predict what it's going to do. If it goes up, I am holding it. I've made my profit from the shares. I bought and sold several times. If it goes up, I will hold it. I will hold it longer term. Okay? If we go up to 250, 300, I will sell a couple. Okay? But other than that, I'm holding it. If it goes down, I will buy more up to another 5. And then when it goes up again, which it will, I will then trim off the top. So I've got 3 or 4 steps already prepared. I know exactly how I'm going to play it. Okay, let's have a look at my portfolio. Consistently up every day. Wow, Martin, you're catching all the comments on point. I'm doing my best. Look, this is my portfolio. This is all-time high now without margin. All-time high. All-time high on my Roth IRA as well. No, in fact, that's not true. 14,000 is an all-time high. But 53,419. There we go. This is now all-time high. Consistently making money every single day. This is year to date. We're up now 10.15. Consistently. My strategy works. I'm sticking to this strategy. There's no margin. There's no fear. There's no drama. I'm not attached to any stocks. I'm constantly answering all the questions on YouTube from all the crazy fans of Tesla. Arrival, oh my God, Arrival, and the worst is Arrival and Lucid. Those people haven't got a clue. They're saying the most ridiculous things, and I reply to everyone, give everyone an answer. But anyway, I want to address everybody on TikTok right now. We've got a decent audience on TikTok. Guys on TikTok, we have a very special event happening live right now on our channel. We are giving away $1,025 in value. It's gone up $25 today. We're giving away $125 in cash for free. I will never message you. I will never contact you, and I want nothing in return. Nothing at all. Okay? For free. $125 in cash and 15 hours of one-on-one training with Ed Nevius, our successful scalp trader who's paid to learn how to trade, how to do candles, how to read charts. He's going to give you that service for free and then give you in cash now $125. If you want it and it's free, you don't have to do anything whatsoever. I just want to help people, as does Ed. It's now being given away in our chat on YouTube. youtube.com/@MartynLucasInvestor. The link's in the profile, the same name. And the best way to do it is come into YouTube right now. That you're watching my YouTube show here. Come into YouTube and say, I'm from TikTok and I would like to be in your cash giveaway. That's it. and I will put you in the draw. It's free. I will never message you. Please be careful. There are over 100 people on TikTok pretending to be me. They're not me. You know they're not me because 1, they never go live. 2, they do follow for follow. I follow nobody other than my members and subscribers. And 3, they always trying to contact you and say, I want to sell you something. They contact you and send you messages. I will never contact you, never send you messages. So come into YouTube now. Come in the live chat. You'll see the chat down the screen here. I'll put one of our members on the screen now. Look, you can see in the chat behind me. It'll come up about there. There's Paddy from Italy. She's just come in. Give it like 10 seconds and you'll see it up there. Come into TikTok. There you go. There's Paddy. She's from Italy. She's just come in. So all you've got to do is say, I'm from TikTok, and I'll put you in the draw for free. Good luck. Brilliant. Chat said subscribers only. No, that's not. It's not subscribers only. It's everybody. And you're chatting to me now, Eric. And you're not a subscriber, so there you can see. It's not subscribers only. There is a glitch today on TikTok. It's not allowing me to put a title, or some of the details are wrong. Sorry, Mullen Delis. Yeah, Mullen is a scam stock right now. Okay, coming to YouTube. I've got to go back to my YouTubers now. Okay, here we go. Thanks, Martin. Just subscribe. Question: your scalp trading in Roth IRA, is it self-directed Roth? Didn't think you could do that in a Roth IRA. Self-directed Roth. I've never heard of a self-directed Roth. Do you mean I buy and sell my own shares? Is that what you mean? Yes, I can. I can buy and sell my stocks as many times as I like and pay no tax on it whatsoever. That is correct. You're only allowed to put $7,500 in this year, $7,000 in 2023. Every year is slightly different, but then you can make money from the money. You can buy and sell your stocks. You can. The only restriction is withdrawing it, taking it back out. Well, I'm not doing that. I'm just making money up to $1 million. I'll keep going and going and going, and when I need the money, I can draw it out. Andy Corley said, yes, it's my own. This is my Roth IRA here. Look, you're looking at it. There's my Roth IRA. Keaton S, did you take a look at Fold? Yes, I did. I downloaded it, and it's not quite as attractive as it first seems. It advertises 17% cashback up to, but in fact on Amazon and fuel and gas and Walgreens and Walmart, it's about 3%, which is what I already get anyway. So there really isn't any point. It advertises 17%, very much the opposite of what I do here. I undersell, over-deliver. What they do, and what most companies do, is they sell the headline. The headline is, it gives up to 17% away. Well, in fact, I couldn't find a single a vendor that I would ever use that would give me 17%. Best Buy was 3%, Amazon was 3%, and so on. So I'll continue to monitor it. I'm looking at it. And it's a preloaded debit card. Again, I'm not a fan of that because you're giving them your money, them your access to your money, which I don't like. I'd rather use a credit card where the liability belongs with Visa or MasterCard. It's much, much safer. But thank you very much for bringing it to me. Keep mentioning these ideas because at some point you're going to bring something I haven't thought about and it's going to be great and we can share it with everybody. All right. Let's have a little look. So yes, and let me just make sure I didn't miss any comments. Let's have a look. I'm catching all the comments. Italy, we've done Paddy and Ale. Yes, indeed. Thanks, Martin. Just subscribe. Thank you, Andy Corley. Yes. So here is my Roth IRA. Very, very quickly answer your question. I can go into more detail for you, but you need to be a member. Okay, I'm going to give you my membership. You'll see everybody's got a badge here. I've got the highest engagement rate of any channel on YouTube when it comes to live viewers who are members. Become a member. There's the invitation to join, and you get 20 times back what you put in. I go to work for you because I want to be the best, honest, most real channel on YouTube. Become a member. I promise you it's the best thing you'll ever do. That's why everyone's a member, okay? I answered that question about Fold, Keaton S. Thank you for that. Keaton S, I also replied to you on Discord with regard to your Virgin Orbit video. You were correct. That one had an error. I've removed it. And there are other Virgin Orbit videos of me at Virgin Orbit, actually at the space station in England. Go and check them out. I gave you the link to one, and I gave you the list to the playlist. So, Andy Corley, here we go. Look, this is my Robinhood Roth. It started in December. I maxed it out in December. I then went to 23 and maxed it out, and I can't start again now until 24 January 1st. This is my cash back that I got, 1% earned from Robinhood, and as you can see, it's completely maxed out. Let me just check something a second. Let me just double check. I'm just watching a screen a minute. Let me just double check from security issue. Bear with me a second. I'll be right back with you. Let me just check that. Come here, you bugger. Just bear with me. Okay, that's good. I'm just checking a security issue. That was fine. I always happen to watch what's going on here. So there's my Roth. So I can buy in and out all the time. And this is my real cash, my real money, my real positions. And basically, I'm just growing this I can't put any more money in. I'm just making money from money. Very helpful, sir. You're okay. Robinhood offers a recommendation, but we don't have to choose it. No, I don't do that. I do my own thing. That's what Eric B is talking about. The free daily spin is good. At least do that. Yes, I was looking at the bigger picture first, but yeah, you're absolutely right. Why not? I will look at that. So thank you, Keaton S. Absolutely, I will do that. And I will get back to you. Yes, Mike and my friend, how are you? Hi from TikTok. There we go. I want to join the giveaway. Admir Kol Chinuku. What country are you from? What country are you from? Admir, I would like to address you in your own language. What country are you from? And I will definitely put you in our giveaway. Yes, I'll do it straight away. Give me 1 second. I cashed out Tesla for American Airlines. I wouldn't have done that. American Airlines, I don't like the airlines. Not very good investment for me. I don't like it. But I'm sure you did it with good reason. There we go. All-time high again today, 53,410. Thank you for the Virgin Orbit playlist. Yes, you got that. I'm just waiting to hear what country our guest is from, Admir, and then I will come back to them. I wanted to watch you all on the site. Do you still have? Yes. It was just that one that I hadn't, and which I wanted to watch as you were on site. The one I sent you, I'm on site. The one I sent you, if you watch it, I'm on site. The one I've sent you is I'm actually there on site, and I walk around the whole site. Okay. Irini, you're from USA. What is your language? What language is your native language? Are you from? Irini. It sounds like you could be Russian or Latvian or Slovakian. Tell me what your country is, and I'll speak in your language. Anyway, you'd like to be in our giveaway. Okay, we're giving away $125 in cash and 15 hours of one-on-one training. Here is our giveaway. Wow, 50, no deposits at all. No deposits at all, Sensei. No, not at all. Put nothing in at all. So let me give this now to our TikTok guests who have just come in. English, okay. I just thought you might be from another country. That's all. Here is the giveaway. There is the giveaway. It's free to enter, free for all. This is the giveaway page here on my website, martinlucas.com. There you go. It tells you all about it, when it is, and you can win with just one ticket. It's like winning the lottery. There are, I think, 39 people, 40 people now who have entered, and down here you can see how you can win free tickets by watching the video, liking the video, comment on the video, whatever. But you can get a free ticket just by going to the website every day. That's it. It's free. Free to enter, free for all, 25 ways to win. So just go and check that out. Okay? All right, that's for our guest who just came over from TikTok and anybody else. Now then, two things I'd like to mention. First of all, we're running a poll right now. Can we do a poll? We can, Ed. You are a member. Before we do the poll for Ed, here is the poll everyone needs to take part in right now about Tesla. Up or down after earnings. This is live right now on my Twitter page. Here it is. We have 45 votes right now. This is brilliant. I've never got more than 40 votes. This is my best ever poll. This is absolutely brilliant. Absolutely brilliant. Okay, there's the poll, and I'd like your thoughts there. So there it is. Now then, we got some really exciting news today. There's a special promotion today on Webull. I can win today 1 share of Apple, and so can you. Even if you already have Webull. I only need 3 people that are not on Webull or 5 people that are on Webull to click my link. There's Webull, and I will win an Apple share, and you can win an Apple share as well. It's free to enter, free for all. There's my Webull. They're doing a special promotion where 3 people who are not on Webull, if you set up an account, I can win an Apple share, and so can you. Or 5 people who are already on Webull just by clicking the link. It's brilliant. So we can all win Apple shares today. So there you go. If anyone could do that for me, I will tell you if I win the Apple share, and you'll tell me what you've won. Very, very exciting. All right? Okay, we'll come back to the poll in a minute when it refreshes. Okay, here we go. Rivian. Tesla. We've got the earnings coming up very, very shortly. If you want to join me for the earnings, it's been growing all day. I intend to hold it, and I will sell it on the way. I will buy more on the way down. Wow, subscribers have just rolled through today. Let's go to the Twitter. The Tesla earnings. Here it is. If you want to be the first person to leave a comment, we're going to be live there in about half an hour. Here is the Tesla earnings. If you want to be the first person to comment, we'll be listening in tonight with a beer, enjoying the Tesla earnings. There it is. Okay. Have we got any likes already? Who's the first person in the chat? Yeah, it's got 3 likes already. Let's see if anybody is in the chat yet and left a comment. We'll come back to it. Not yet. Who's going to be the first? Let me do the top chat, the live chat, and I'll see who's the first. Okay, the first person to comment was, the prize goes to, who was the first? Looks like Cornwall Homegrown was there first. Eric B was second. Scott Williams, and then Bill came in and became a new silver member, upgraded his account. Absolutely awesome. All right, we'll come back to that very, very soon. Okay, here we go. The portfolio is looking strong. S&P is up and holding. Tesla 10% up tonight. Ha 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 ha. That'd be great, wouldn't it? Eh? Leave that comment on the Twitter poll. Here we go, Sensei. Here is the Twitter poll for you. And now earlier today I put out a Tesla video. I'm giving 10 tickets away if you get the magic number from the video. Let's have a look now. We're up to what's the comments here? Let's read the comments. Virgin Galactic, it's going up, but straight back down again, so be very careful. It's not strong. Virgin Orbit, there you go. There's what it did. You don't need me to show it again. Rivian going sideways. It will go up if Tesla goes up. Right, Tesla's now trimming. I'm not selling it. I'm not selling it now. Lucid, been down all day. I'm not buying that either because I don't want to own it overnight. I'll buy it tomorrow if it's back down or not at all. Apple, doing good. Amazon, great day today. I'm up $252 on it now, 4.62%. Very nice indeed. McDonald's, if we get a 10% drop, I'm buying. I'm going to jump all over McDonald's. If that goes down 10%, and we're covering the earnings next week, you wait. It'll go down on the earnings. And when it does, I'm buying 10 shares of it. Absolutely. I'm going to buy so many shares of McDonald's, I'm going to be called Ronald McDonald. I'll tell you that. Let's read the comments. Let's read the comments. How are you? How are you? Can we do a poll? Yes, Ed Nevius. We'll do your poll right now and Crypto Sensei as a comment. So here we go. One last time. I'm not going to keep doing it today. If you want to win, have a chance of winning an Apple share, there is my Weeble. Only 3 people that don't have Weeble sign up. I win an Apple share, and so could you. And if you are a Weeble user, I need 5 to win an Apple share, and so can you, just by clicking my link. There it is, all right? That's got to be the best, one of the best we've ever done there. Right, let me read the comments. We've got a comment. Hang on, what have we got? This tweet is from an account you muted. This tweet, I'll view them. Hang on, let's have a little look. Okay. Just responding to that. Okay, we've now got 50 votes. 50 votes. Let's have a quick look. 64% saying it's going to go up. Look at that. And 36% say down. Now then, Ed, what is the poll? What do you want to do? Feeling good? How are you? Ed Nevius, what is the poll you'd like to do? Crypto bubbles, please. Crypto bubbles. We love the crypto bubbles. Here we go. Crypto bubbles today. On the day today. What is looking hot today on the crypto bubbles? Let's have a look. Everything is red today on crypto bubbles. SNX today in the top 100. SNX right there in the center. Synathix is up 1.5 today. What particularly do you want to look at, Sensei, on the crypto bubbles? I will come back to it once you've told me what you want. I have Weeble and just did your link. Thank you, Eric B. Thank you. Just did also, Eric. Nice one. 5 people that have already been a member. Bubbleless. There are no green. There is no green. It's rubbish. It's just SNX today. SNX. That's it. Let's come back to the trading screen. And we're just below an all-time high now. Just below an all-time high. Let's have a quick look. What is the hardest part of trading? Is it risk management or is it entry and exits? Poll question when other poll closed. Here we go. Well, we can run this on here as well, Ed. We can do this for you at the same time, okay? What is the hardest part of trading? What? This is a poll from Ed. And you can have a poll if you are a member. What is the hardest part of trading? And the question is risk management or entry and exits. I know exactly what the answer to that is. At least I think so. I need to go on Ed's course. Is it entry and exits? Entry and exits. Okay, what is the hardest part of trading? This is the guy, Ed Nevius, who's going to give you the training if you win the $125 and the 15 hours of one-on-one training. Here is the question. What is the hardest part of trading? Risk management or entry and exits? Okay. There we go. Mike, yay, Paddy. Mike says, Paddy, hi, Mr. Cornwall. How are you this afternoon? Lovely to have you here. Mr. Cornwall, good to see you, mate. I tried the magic number, but it wouldn't work. That's because you got the wrong number. Did you watch the whole video? Did you get the video at the end? It does work, Bill. Let me share with you how it works. All right. It worked. I just showed you on the screen. I'll show you again right now. This is how it works. Bill, I will do it for you right now. Balloon Mike, what's up? If you stoned Bill, it's the one in the middle flying around the room. I like it. He's flying his drone. All red. Wow. Ha ha, said Sensei. Yes, you predicted it. Right. This is what you do. Bill. All right. Okay. You scroll down. If something doesn't have a tick on it, that's what you can do. Enter the magic number in the Tesla video. You click on it. All right. It opens it up. Enter the magic number in the Tesla video. So you watch the Tesla video. So first of all, you click on that, and that will take you to the video. Okay. Right. And it will play the video. Okay. So watch it play the video. And in this video, I will give you a magic number. And once magic number does work, I got my free ticket. Yeah, it works. It does work. All right. You watch it through. You get the magic number. Okay. And then you can come back and you can put the number in. So if you go, I don't know, 4, right? It's wrong. If you go 488,000, it's wrong. You got to get the right number. So you're never going to guess. You've got to watch it. So link the video. Link the video. I'm missing something. The video is there on the screen. Bloody hell, Bill. There's the video. I will give you the link. But you've got to do it through this. If you don't do it through this, it won't work. I'll give you the link for the video. And then you can watch the video and then come back and then put the right number in. Okay, Bill? Here's the link for the video. There's the link for the video. All right? You got to watch it, work out what the magic number is, and then you'll be good. All right? And then you'll win 10 tickets, $125. I can't believe how much money we're giving away. Why are we giving so much away? I don't know why we're doing it. We shouldn't be doing it. We're too nice. Everybody. Thanks for the poll. It's really important. It is. What about Bill? I haven't seen you for a while. I wish you're doing good, says Ale. It works, Bill. Yeah, it does. Everything I test many times. The magic number does work. I got my free 10 tickets. Here he is. Barbie Doll's here today. Hi, Ale. How's it going around the room? Mike, doing well. Thanks for the poll. It's really important. As well as can be, says Mike. Okay, we got 10 minutes to go. We're about to ring the bell. Okay. Let's bring everybody up to date. Now then, if you've not smashed the like button, why not? There's 28 watching and 25 likes. I finished my website. Fan-flipping-tastic. Fantastic. We're looking forward to seeing that. I think Silver Surfer is going to be a sponsor for a month so we can promote the hell out of it. How cool is that? J&J going up. Google. Great day for Google today. I got back up. It's gone back down slightly, but that's okay. I am perfectly okay with that. I didn't want to sell it for that amount of profit, even though it was a profit. It would have been something. I'd rather hold it. Microsoft. Walmart. Looking for a discount there. Next Era Energy. Nice. Up strongly now. Enphase Energy. It's good. I want it cheaper. Bitcoin going down. I took my profit from Coinbase yesterday. Bitcoin is up. Sorry, it's down 3.13. When that goes down, Coinbase goes down, right? Tilray. Robinhood. Robinhood did well today. Went up. We're just getting everything dive into the close a bit. But that's all right. I'm not selling anything. Okay. We're coming up then to our earnings of Tesla. Let's have a look at the poll. First of all, Ed Nevis's poll. Ed Nevis's poll says risk management 50-50, entry and exits. What is the hardest part of trading? Entry and exits or risk management? What's the hardest part? They're both very, very important. You need to know when to get in and when to get out. But remember, no one knows when the best time is to get in, and no one knows when the best time to get out is. Entry and exits is what you can get in at a high price and get out at slightly higher. You still make some money. So entry and exits, to me, isn't as important as everything else. It's the exit point is really all that matters to me. The entry point isn't. It depends on the stock. If it's a stock that has no value and you're just trading the day or whatever, then you need the right entry point. But if you're looking at a stock like J&J or Apple or Coke or whatever that consistently makes profits, the entry point isn't as important as long as you are prepared to wait and have patience. So it depends on whether you're a day trader or a scalp trader, or for me, I'm a collection of all. JP Rothschild, how are you? Didn't you send me a comment earlier? Did you send me a message on YouTube? I vaguely remember a comment from you earlier. I think I've commented on it. Anyway, if you've just tuned in, whether you have Webull or not, apparently, if you use, we're doing a promotion today. If you use my link, 5 people that already have Webull, I can win an Apple stock, and so can you by clicking on my link. Or if you are a non-user of Webull, if you click on it and set up an account, I just need 3 to win a share of Apple, and so can you. So there is my little promotion in the chat right now. So the Tesla poll, up or down on earnings. We're running a poll now on Twitter, and it's my most popular poll I've ever done. I'm really excited because I've only been on Twitter for a short period of time, and we have 50 votes now. Let me just double check it, see if it's changed. And you can vote. There's the link to vote on it. Mr. Lucas, Tesla will dip after hours. Get ready to buy more. I am. I am ready and primed as I'll ever be. I am ready to rock and roll. Mohammed, I am absolutely ready to rock and roll. I've got a position that I'm prepared to hold. Here we go. And I am prepared to take I'm not selling it. Let's have a look. We've got 50 votes now. 50 votes. Tesla up or down on earnings. Here is the position here on the screen. Tesla up or down on earnings, and we have 50 votes. And you are saying 64% up and 36% down. We've had a couple of retweets. Comments from Mike. Up, says Sensei. Mike is saying good luck. I will reply to everyone's comments here. So if it helps you grow your channel, I'll do it. Who else have we got? Anybody on there, and I will reply to you. Okay. JP, Webull tool, awesome and faster than most charts. Love Webull, says Ed. If I did say something, I don't remember. We're going to have to refresh my memory. I need to take another drink of this scotch. Yes, nothing wrong with that. Tesla is taking a dive right now. That's okay. I bought it at 180 today, 179. So I'm up. I don't care if it dips. I don't care. I'm just ready to buy more if it does. Okay. All I know is before I die of old age, I'm leaving everything to my granddaughter Olivia. I am verified. You verified on? Yes, you are verified. I've just noticed that. Sensei Crypto has now joined the ranks of the verified users here on Twitter. I like it. There we go. Let's have a quick look and let's celebrate. Sensei Crypto. He stumped up 90 bucks and he's become one of the verified users. There we go. I think the loves are the loves coming from Mike. Who's doing all the loves this afternoon? I think it's Mike. Very nice indeed. Now the horse trading starts on Tesla. Remember, always be ahead of the game. Don't react. You knew it was going to go down. If you didn't know it was going to go down, you shouldn't have bought it because you don't know how Tesla trades on an earnings. You should have known it was going to go down, and I did. You go, well, why did you buy it if you knew it was going to go down? I wanted to be in on it. And I'm happy at this price. I believe it's expensive and it should go down. And I have, as you can see, $708. In fact, I have $1,000 to spend because I've already earmarked it at 150. If it goes to 150, I buy my first one. So I've got $1,000 of money to buy Tesla. I don't want any more money. All my other money is allocated, and it should be. I don't need it to be... it won't be invested on Tesla. That'll be enough. As long as Tesla gets to about 20% of my portfolio on my Roth, then I'm good to go. I don't need any more. I'm giving loves too. Oh, yes, we're seeing the loves go up. I can see the numbers going up as well. If you tap the... I'm going to give the confetti. That's me doing the confetti. See the confetti flying up? That's me. And if you do this for a minute or so on YouTube, it gets more people. Apparently, if you a channel is measured by its engagement. So if you are engaging on the channel, YouTube shares it to more people. So there you go. I'm doing the confetti. Okay, that's who I am. I'm the confetti one. Tomorrow Will Fly, Space, Toei TV, Season 2. I like the name there. I like the name. Very good indeed. Well, we're watching Tesla. We're preparing for it. We're waiting to see what happens. Remember, always control your own destiny. You know what you want to do. You're not reacting to anybody else. You couldn't care less what anybody else does with the market. If it drives it down, you don't care. You know what you want to invest in. You're not investing in stock prices. You're investing. Everyone on the phone, do it. Let's see how many. Let's see how many we can get in. Yeah, 47. It's going up. All right. Very, very good indeed. Let's get ready for the earnings. We've got 1 minute to go. We're about to ring the bell. Here we go. It's 2 minutes to go. We're about to ring the bell. Are you ready? And the earnings report will come out in about 15 minutes. So can I have all my moderators, please, on it? Martin, please do a minute on the clock. And we will all spam. Okay, here we go. Spam the bloody hell out of it. Then you ready? Let's get to 60 views. We're at 48 watching right now. Yeah, I love it. You ready? Okay, we're coming up to a minute to go. Tomorrow we'll have a Starship fly on the heavy booster if they don't scrub again. That'll be great. We'll try and cover it, yeah? We'll try and cover it. Okay, here we go. It's coming up to a minute. For the closing bell, let's all spam. Are you ready? Okay, let's do it. We're watching it right now. Are we going? My clock is a bit slow tonight. I've been making videos all day. Spam, spam, spam. Spam it, everyone. We're at 48 watching. Yeah, it's certainly going up, all right. We got 1 minute to go. Let's have a look. Oops-a-daisy. That's the bell gone. That's my timer broken. Forget the timer. Spam the YouTube emoji. There we go. Ignore the clock. I'm getting a bit of delay on my channel, but never mind. Ignore the clock. You ready? We're about to ring the bell. SpaceX and Virgin fly same day. Huge day ahead. Tomorrow, there's no Virgin Galactic guaranteed flight tomorrow. I don't know. People keep telling me that. That isn't guaranteed at all. Anyway, 10 seconds to go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The bell is gone. There we go. The bell has gone, and we're watching to see what Tesla does right now. If it goes down to 150 or 170 or 160, I buy more. If it goes up, I just hold it. And I'll only sell above 210, 220, then I'll trim a little bit off. That's my strategy. That's what I'm sticking to. Doesn't matter what happens. That is what I will do. How do you know, Joey? He doesn't know. He doesn't know. Nobody does. If anybody knew, it'd be me. Because I speak to Virgin Galactic and I have not got that confirmation. So I don't know how anybody else does. All right, the bell is now gone. Let's look at our positions. The my overall portfolio is up again today. Consistently. We are up now. Consistently. Every single day, I think we're up nearly over 10% now. That's what it's all about. Spam says, Mike, spam. How do you know, Joey, said Sid. He doesn't, Sid. He doesn't know. If he knew, I would know. And I don't. So I'm just telling you. Okay, let's have a little look. There was something I was going to do then, and I completely forgot what I was going to do. My brain's gone fried. I need to have a quick glass of Coke. That's what it is. If I have a glass of Coke, that will fix me. Here we go. Let me have a quick sip of my Coke. There we go. Overall portfolio, up. The S&P, Roth IRA, just down slightly, but we've been recovering all day, okay? 53,315. We are $85 off my all-time high. Just dropped back a little bit. So there you go. Overall, that's all that counts. It's your overall portfolio. That's what it's all about. So, wow, how many shares do you have in how many shares do I have in Tilray? Mohammed Kahine on my Roth IRA, I have 231. 231. There is my position there, look, 231. That's all I need to make money at $40. When it goes to $40, when legalization comes in. I'd like some more, but I would have bought some more. But I've had no super chats now for about 4 or 5 days. So remember, I only earn money from the members and the super chats. If I made videos, a lot of videos, I would earn money from videos. But right now, I earn about $5-6 a day from members and super chats on average over the month. And I've not had any money. This is my only income. I do nothing else to earn money. Unfortunately, this is my income. So I haven't got no more money to bring in. Otherwise, I could buy more. But that's where I am. Tired finger now. Sensei, thank you very much indeed. Sensei Crypto is one of our sponsors. I'm going to do something for Sensei Crypto right now. How many people have liked the... Yes, 6 already coming to the main event tonight. Tesla earnings. We will end... It starts in... I will be live in about half an hour with the earnings for Tesla. Okay? For the earnings for Tesla, I will be there in about half an hour. So we're going to end this stream in a couple of moments, okay? So I want to do something for Sensei right now. Here is Sensei Crypto. He's our sponsor. He pays $99 a month to sponsor my channel. And for that, I get him members to his crypto crypto challenge, which is very successful now. We're all making money. He's got members there now. Brilliant. And also, as well as a list of other things, I want everyone to subscribe to his YouTube channel. All right? Let's see how many he is on right now, and let's get everyone to do it. You ready? If you've not yet subscribed to Sensei Crypto, I'd love you to do it right now. I'm going to refresh it on the screen. Let's see how many subscribers we can get him. There it is. I believe he was at 236. Why is that not refreshing? Let's have a quick look. Let's have a look. It's been a bit slow this afternoon. Sensei Crypto is in the green room. It's called the Broadcast Lounge now. You're a bit out of date, mate. It's been the Broadcast Lounge now for months. Tesla is dipping. Let's go back to Tesla. And then we'll come back to Sensei in a moment and see how we're getting on. There we... Oh! Whoa. There we go. 179. Perfect. Down she goes. Okay, get ready. Here we go. Limit order. Limit order, Roth IRA, and go on to Tesla right now. There we go. Limit order, down she blows, down she blows. Okay, here we go. Trade. Lovely. Roth IRA, trade, buy. Okay. It's not there yet. Limit order. Let me buy it and get ready for my first one. Buy in shares. Limit order. Here we go. This is actually what I'm doing right now. Thanks, guys. Please sub. Yes, yes, yes. Here we go. I'm showing you what I'm doing now. Look. Limit order. Limit price. I'm just going to watch it. 178. 178. Continue. Extended hours. Continue. Today. Yeah. I'll buy another one at that level. 178. Just gonna review that. 177. Oh, this is brilliant. 177. There's one. I'm going to buy one. It'll go through 176.41. There you go. Lovely. There's another one in the bank. Okay. I'll take it. It's coming up now. 176. Beauty. There we go. I've just bought another one. So now I've got some to trim. $12 now. I'm up 3% again. Average now 173. There we go. And we'll do it again in a second. We'll see if we can get some more. Let's have a look. Did we get any more subscribers to Sensei? I forget, how many were you at before? It's not refreshing, I'm afraid. My screen's going a bit too slow to bring Sensei's video channel up, but never mind. We'll focus on Ali, how many people just subscribed to you? Watching Tesla again. Here we go. 177, let's do it again. So we just bought one. We just bought one for... Let's look at the history. Let's look at the history. As long as we're buying them cheaper. 176. 176.41. Brilliant. Time to go shopping with Tesla. This was the plan. This is how Tesla trades. Everyone's running around, scrambling around now to try and get Tesla at the best deal. So we'll do it again. 178. And we'll keep doing it. We'll keep doing it. It could hit 150. It could. Now, I don't care. I'm not. This is why I'm consistently up, is I'm not trying to time the market, beat anybody else. I'm not interested. I'm interested in buying the company, not the share price. That's all I'm trying to do. I'm focusing on the company I want to own and I want to sell in the future. I know that this is going to go up. So whether I pay 178, 179, 170, 60, it doesn't matter. I just want to get the best deal I can. But it's not. I already know how much I want to spend. I already know how many shares I want to buy. And... not trying to beat the market. That's why when it went down, I put in 170. What was it? 179, and it went through at 177.30. I wasn't bothered. It didn't matter. And by losing the limit order, I always get the best price anyway. That's how Robinhood works. So I'm watching to see if it'll go any lower because I don't know how low it's going to go. I've got no idea. But every time it dips, if I can get it cheaper and cheaper and cheaper, then up to 15 shares of Tesla, then I can trim off next week and take a couple off the table, and I've got profits then, and my average is lower, and I'm in a stronger position. This is good. All right. Thanks, Keaton S. Sensei, how many subscribed to you? How many did you get? I wasn't following it. 178. It's bouncing around. It doesn't want to be. It doesn't want to go down any lower. Now that doesn't mean to say I'm suddenly going to buy loads more, because until the earnings comes out. In fact, let's refresh the screen now. Can everyone check it for me, please? Because if we suddenly see the stock move 10, 20%, we know it's out. All right, it'll be out in the next 10, 15 minutes. It could be out now. So if anyone finds the number before me, whether they missed or beat earnings, tell me, because we'll see it move, and then I can calculate if I want to buy more than 15. All right. Sensei is in the broadcast lounge. We're going to bring Sensei into the chat right now. I believe you are here in the broadcast lounge. Yes, he is. Let me just pop on in. Right, it's going down again. Let me come over to here a minute. Otherwise, I can't bring him in. 178. Okay, I'm in the broadcast lounge now, Ali. You can unmute yourself. Unmute the site. There we go. Ali Tisro, Sensei Crypto. Welcome to Martyn Lucas Investor. How are you?
Hello, Martin. How are you doing? Thanks for having me on the show. I'm well and good.
My pleasure, mate. Always love to hear your voice. What a great day. What an opportunity. How's life for you today in England? What's going on?
Not much. It's been a busy day. I've been very busy this week with other stuff going on, but it's a buying opportunity, I think, today. Crypto, everything in the top 100, as we saw on the bubbles, everything's down. Probably just a liquidation event. Drop the price of Bitcoin a bit, everyone gets liquidated. People get too excited, the price is going up, and they get over leveraged. And I think this is a liquidation event, and the longs being liquidated, causing the price come down. I'm not panicking. There's several supports we need to break before I turn bearish. 25,000 being one of them, and 28,800 being another one of them. I'm not fearful. I've been buying more. I thought I'd come on and give a quick tip for tomorrow. It might play out and might not play out.
Okay.
If you allow me to.
Please do. Love it. Please do.
So tomorrow is 420, meaning Elon Musk likes to do things on the day of 420, as we know. He's a strange
doesn't
man.
He ever?
And one of those things could be something to do with Dogecoin. I have bought some Dogecoin today on the dip. I'm not advising anyone to do so, but 420, if he wants to pump and dump Doge, tomorrow might be the day to do it. Buying a bit of Doge, maybe buying a bit of Doge on leverage with a stop loss, 10% down, 5% down. Could be a good risk to reward play in terms of a key date tomorrow. So we might see a tweet, might see Dogecoin pop 20, 15%. So personally, I've bought some Doge just in case this event happens. In terms of Tesla, I think we just saw the earnings. I think it was as expected, 0.85. I think the revenue was beat.
Yeah, it's expected. Yeah,
a little bit.
It's right on. Yeah,
the revenue's beat a little bit. And I've just put in the comment section that their Bitcoin holdings, they didn't sell any Bitcoin in Q1. So no, they haven't sold any Bitcoin. Tesla as a company, so that's bullish for BTC, and they're not fearful, and they seem to not mind holding Bitcoin, and they've got a record 22.4 billion in cash on hand. So Tesla's looking strong. Another market overreaction maybe. We'll see what they have to say in the trading.
I've just bought another one, 173.49. I'm just buying all the way down.
Yes. I would. I mean, there's a point where we stop buying, but for me, it seems like an overreaction.
Yeah, I absolutely agree. So, we can scroll down and we can see Tesla did what they expected, estimated. Remember, it's always very important to say this. The estimation is not what Tesla say they're going to do. It's what the analysts say they're going to do. Okay? And they did. They met the expectation. They didn't beat it. They didn't miss on it. They just did what the analysts said. And it's interesting to see that we had Q3 21, Q4 and Q1 of 21 all beat in succession, and then Q2 of 22 and Q3 and Q4 all go up on the same sort of ratio. If you look at that, and then drop back down again. Is this some sort of pattern forming here? What do you think, Ali?
I'm just trying to have a look. Yeah, there might be. I mean, I think. I think this earning, I think next earnings is going to be really bullish for Tesla because of these incentives they've got. The price of the car is right in the perfect range. Most of their cars' batteries are built directly in the US, so that they can take full advantage of that 7,000.
I just lost your audio then for a second. Well, Ali, we are losing your signal for a moment.
We'll see a nice bounce back up.
Ali, we just lost you for a moment then. The last 30 seconds you were stuttering in and out. Could you repeat that, please?
Sorry about that. No, I was just saying it should be holding. If you're buying Tesla now on this overreaction, it should pay off next earnings because of the tax incentives. They're managing to have the whole 7,500 because of their batteries being built mostly in the UK, in the US, along with the car. So they're managing to take full credit of the tax incentive, especially with the price of the car being directly in that bracket that they can use. So I'm bullish for next earnings, especially.
Yeah, me too. I just picked up, I think I've bought 5 shares today. I just picked up another couple, 173. I'm up to 13 now. I want an allocation of 15, which will give me about a 20% allocation on my Roth, which is very bullish on one stock. 20% on one stock is very, very bullish. That's as much as I really want. So if I can get another little drop in a moment, and like 172, 170, maybe 169, anything like that, I'll buy another couple, take me to 150, take me to 15, and then as soon as we go above 210, 220, I'll sell a couple, take some profits off the table, so I've got that banked profit. I can do that on my Roth IRA with no tax penalties at all, and that's good. But I agree with you, Ali. I think next quarter is good. I think the economy is 6 months behind the markets. I think the markets are pricing, a bullish return end of the year into next year. I mean, I've been saying the summer. I think there's going to be signs of that in the summer. What do you think when you think the bull market might begin? What's your opinion?
I think the best opinion I can give, which is sort of more of a gut feeling than anything, would be somewhere within 3 to 6 months. Maybe the recession will be not as mild as they think. It'll be there'll be some fear on the streets. I think we'll have a quite a big sell-off, a sudden sell-off, and then just like 2020, we'll see that sell-off and then a V-shaped recovery, which could propel us into a bull market end of this year, beginning of next year.
Yeah.
And especially in terms of crypto, that will line up very nicely with the halving event, which is less than a year away from now, and every single halving in the history of Bitcoin that has propelled us into a massive bull run. So I'm very excited for the end of the year and beginning of 2024.
Can you explain to those and who don't understand what a Bitcoin halving is? We've got about if I can give you a minute on that one.
Yeah, so a Bitcoin halving essentially is, sorry, if you just give me 1 second, we can edit this.
Something going on there. You got a cat climbing on your head, or your mum just come in. What's going on there?
I'm just trying to get ChatGPT up. No, I'm joking. So the Bitcoin halving. The Bitcoin halving is essentially when half the supply. God, how has this jumped my head? I mean, it's the most important thing in crypto, and I don't know what the Bitcoin halving is.
Hey,
I do know
hey,
it's the nervousness of being on the show,
Hey
Martin.
mate, listen, it happens to me all the time. People come on and they ask me the questions and I go, I don't know. What's my name? I mean, listen, it happens to the best of us. It's live TV. You didn't know I was going to ask you the question. It's not a problem, Ali. I fully understand. And I know you're you're probably out on your bike or something. You pulled over in the lay-by trying to call into the show. And it's not always as easy as it might seem. But as Ali is recomposing himself, we've got Tesla now rising 175. I've just about I bought the bottom there and I just about fully allocated. I only want another couple of shares, and to be honest, I don't mind really if I don't get them. It would be nice. That way I can trim off and bring it back down to 10. But to be quite honest, I am happy if we get another drop, another 5-10 cents. Sorry, $5-10. I'll buy another couple. But Ali, are you recomposed? Are you back with me now?
Sorry, Martin. Someone's just at the door.
Oh, someone's at the door. So, I knew something was going on. Ali, I'll let you go. You go, come back another time.
Okay, thank you, Martin. I'll be back in a second.
No worries. There we go. Ali's got stuff going on there in the background. He's got his family turning up at the door. Not a problem at all. Right. The miners get 50% less per block. The Silver Surfer. Block rewards halved to miners. There we go. 10% down today, says Mohammed. Right. We're going to end the show because we've got the earnings for Tesla coming up in a short while. I'll be there live with it. We'll go live early, so you're all there with me. We don't want to miss anything, and we'll always be at first. We'll always be early. Is it Mr. Google? Absolutely. There's nothing like live TV. He's thinking, bloody hell, I can't believe I went on here. This is get prepared next time. Anyway, there you go. Bless him. All right, I know what it's like. We can't all be professional like me. Do you know what I'm saying? We can't, World piano man, there's a reason for it. Right, okay, my portfolio. Let's have a little look now and look at the overall portfolio. Let's have a look. I think I'm looking strong everywhere. Let's have a look. 53. I'm only $200 despite Tesla going down now. This is an example of having a balanced portfolio. Tesla has gone down. It's now 20% of my portfolio. I'm only down just over $200 from my all-time high. Just shows you, even though Tesla, and remember that'll bring S&P down as well because it's part of the S&P. I'm only down a couple $100, but I've now got a lot more Tesla at a reduced price. So I am very, 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 very happy with that. And that's exactly what I wanted to happen. The Roth IRA, it's down $83. It's really nothing. I'm not concerned at all. Feel very, very happy. My main position on my brokerage, in fact, is up. It's hardly affected by it at all. And that's what you want. You want to be able to take positions and it doesn't rock your world. You don't want to wake up and suddenly find you're up. Well, being up's great. But you don't want to get up and wake up in the morning and find that your portfolio has just dropped 30% because you've been buying and selling the wrong things, all right? So patience, diversity, know what you're buying, feel confident what you're buying, feel completely relaxed about it. Remember, always buy the company. Do the research, buy the company, not the stock price. The stock price is just like a January sale. You're already going to buy the pair of jeans, the Levi jeans, but now you've got them at 50% discount. You were already going to buy them. That's where we need to be, right? So we're going to do day trader of the day. We are going to get off now, and we are going to. Oh my gosh! I've just gained 6 subscribers in 1 second. 7,280. I have no idea why that suddenly rolled around like that. But anyway, thank you very much if you just subscribed to the channel. Very, very kind of you. Bloody hell, my channel. I've just had 400 views on the Bitcoin video I put out just a few moments ago. Bloody hell, that's good. It's always nice when you go and look at stuff like that. You go, oh, flipping out, look at that. Right, for those of you who've just joined, I'm back. Sorry, not at all. Not at all, Ali. Never apologise at all. That's live TV. Right, for those of you who've just tuned in, I'm going to end the show now. We've got 2 things to give you. First of all, Here is my link, my referral to Webull. If you are already a user or not, this is a new promotion. You can win a share of Apple by clicking on my link. And if 3 people do it, 3 non-members do it. I've got Webull. I use Webull for charts, even though I do it off air. It's just too much to add on to this. If you are a member and you've already got it, 5 members click on it and I win a free share of Apple, and so can you. If you're a non-member and set it up, you can win a share of Apple, and so can I. Okay, so there's that. The other thing I asked you to do was the Tesla poll. Let's have a little look now. We'll go back to Tesla right now. Here we go. Tesla's coming back up now. I bought the bottom. I bought the dip. Very, very happy with that. I've now got 13 shares of Tesla. There's a couple more if it goes any lower, and then I'm done. Then I'm overdone, and then I can. Well, I'm not overdone. Well, yes, I'm overdone because then I can trim off the top, and that's my intention. So there's the Tesla poll. Let's go and have a look and see what you voted. Up or down? This is by far. I'm so excited how this is growing now so quickly. Tesla on the poll now. I've got 57 votes. 57 votes. Up 61% and down 38%. Everybody's comments I will reply to. So if you want to leave a comment, I will reply. And if it helps your channel grow, then that'll be great. I will more than happy do that. All right. Yay! Look at that. 604 followers now. Brilliant. We just gained another 2. Really great. Thank you so much indeed for all following me on there. Right. Looks like Tesla's going down again. Did you sell? I didn't sell. I'm just adding. Let me go back to the main trading screen. Green room. But if you show ending, don't worry. No. I will give you the chance to come back in. Just so I can tell him off. Ali Tisro, you're live back on Martyn Lucas Investor. He said green room if your show is not ending. I'm going to give him the chance to come back on, aren't I? Ali, welcome back on the show. Are you composed now? Has everybody from the door gone away? Are you good to go?
No, they're in the. Thank you for having me back on, Martyn.
No worries.
Sorry, there was someone at the door downstairs. I had to let them in and then open the door. It's by
chaos,
someone,
mate.
My fiance.
Bloody chaos.
I can't let her stay at the door.
No, not right.
Got all a bit flustered in that moment, but Andrew Grady had my back. He explained it very, very simply. Yeah, so it is essentially the mining rewards get cut in half. So it reduces the inflationary nature of Bitcoin, half the BTC supplies in the market. But I think for me, I don't know all the crypto terms. I don't know everything about staking. I don't know everything about crypto as in the technology. I'm not smart enough for that. I'm reading books. I'm learning as much as I can. But for me, what I trade on and how I make money is through seeing where the market speculation is going, seeing how the retail investors invest, and also charting. And that doesn't to make money in crypto. You don't need to know the ins and outs of every event and how crypto works. I wouldn't be able to tell you how Bitcoin works half the time, or how half the other coins work.
Ali, I'm going to say, and this is very, very important. I've studied Warren Buffett and other great investors for many years. I've read books and looked at what they have to say. And Warren Buffett hasn't got a clue how most things work at the factories where he invests in, but he does recognize a good company. What's important, Ali, is assembling a team. Here we have great chart readers like yourself and analysts. We have Ed Nevius for his chart perspectives. I look at more to do with the relationship between people, how people react to stock, the greed, the selfishness, human behavior. I also like to study the CEO. I like to read about who the CEO is, what his direction is, whether the company have got anything innovative about it. Will it change the world? I think all these attributes come together. But like you said, and like we all know, no one knows if the stock is going up, down, left or right, or anything in between. All we can do is make an educated guess looking at the information that we have, and there's no doubt about it. If you understand charts and if you understand people and if you understand what the company does, you have a damn sight more chance of being successful than those who don't, who just merely guess or just go on Reddits and tweets and rumors and stuff like that. So, you are completely allowed to not know every ins and outs of every crypto mining device and how it all works. I actually might know more how a crypto mining device works, having been an electronics engineer. I understand exactly how circuitry works and all the diodes and capacitors. But Ali, you do a great job with our channel, and your insight into charts and understanding of that is phenomenal. You don't have to know every ins and out and everything. And the fact that you don't know is good, because it means you'll go out and learn. The people I can't abide by, and I won't even have them on the channel at all, and I certainly wouldn't allow them to be a sponsor of my channel, are those that go, I know everything. I'm a bloody expert. And I go, burp, put the phone down. See you later. So Ali, no problem from me at all, mate.
No, thank you. I agree. I mean, there's different ways of investing. I mean, of course, I want to learn as much as I can in regards to crypto, how each different crypto works and all the different layers and etc. I mean, I know basic knowledge, but there's a different level of investing that, because then you can see exactly which crypto companies that which have a potential future. But right now, in the crypto industry, there's so many different companies, and it's the beginning of something great, that you just have to follow the sentiment. You just have to see what crypto companies have the best sentiment. All these crypto coins we're holding, I don't have any. Well, most of them I don't think will be around in 10 years, and it'll be silly if anyone did think they'll be around in 10 years. It's a new market. Everything's changing. If you look at the .com era, what companies left? Maybe 5 or 10 of them. And I expect the same with crypto. So we're trading in and out of these coins. We're looking at sentiment. We're looking at how many people, what the community is around these cryptos. And the main thing about the halvening event is the amount of attention Bitcoin does get, and the amount of speculation that does happen at the halving event. The media will be all over the halving event. The previous cycles indicate that there will be a price move up. The charts indicate that. So what's for us to say that this time is different? You stay with the trend until it ends, and what I see in crypto is more people coming into the space. And when an event that big happens, whatever the reason, you might say it's because of supply and demand, because of the halvening, but some might say it's just pure speculation. And if that brings more retail investors in, everyone's going to be buying in and speculating and gambling on these cryptos, and that's when we're not going to be investing and looking at profits go all the way up. And
exactly.
Instead of buying in at the top, we're going to be selling at the top. And
exactly.
That's the main thing here.
That's it.
Yeah, that's my views about the halving.
You've hit it on the head, and thank you for explaining it. And it's always good to get it from a different perspective, a different way of looking at it. Because I don't know about you, but when I was at school, one teacher would say the same thing to me in a different way, and I would suddenly understand it. And by having things explained in a different way and a different time, coming from a different angle, can really enlighten you on it. And you mentioned about people's perceptions and ideas and all the FUD and the nonsense. And that's, I mean, I'll give you an example. I've just been dealing with hundreds, some of them you never see on my channel, comments that I just delete because they get way too abusive and silly. Lucid, for some reason, and Arrival, and Mullen, another one as well. These companies always tend to be the same companies that are losing money. People get very, very, very passionate and angry. They hook into something and they go, this is the greatest car in the world, or this is the greatest crypto asset in the world, or this is the greatest whatever. Elon Musk is the greatest, he's a superhero. And for some reason, I understand it's because people are insecure and they are fearful, and lack of knowledge gives you that fear. Lack of knowledge gives you that fear, and the greed and the uncertainty. And people get hooked into something, and when somebody else who's getting some traction, who's getting noticed, as I rank for certain search terms now, I get noticed, says, this company, it's a great car, but it's losing money, simply presenting the balance sheet, simply presenting the facts, they don't like it. And you get a lot of that in the market. You get a lot of sentiment based upon nothing more than I call it nonsensery, Reddit's nonsensery, and I don't understand it. And we get that a lot in crypto. I've had the Shiba army here on the channel calling into my channel, telling me that Shiba's the greatest thing in the world and it's going to change the world, and we're going to be spending Shiba on Mars. When I thought, well, that's a silly comment to make because I'm 54 and I'm pretty certain I ain't going to get to Mars and live there in my lifetime, so I don't need any Shiba to spend on Mars anyway. But anyway, it's always...
Yes, I think people get too married to the stocks and cold following. I mean, most of these cryptos, it's really, they're not going to be honest. 90% of the 95% of the top 100 are not going to exist in 10 years. That's the fact. The only crypto I'm confident that will be here in 20 years is XRP. There's no other crypto like it. There's no other crypto. What real life needs.
Ali, I'm just losing the last part of you. Ali, you're just losing signal a little bit at the end there, but I got most of that. XRP. Yeah, I'm just gonna mute you a second, Ali. I'm not gonna mute you, but yeah, I'm just losing a bit of you at the end. But I got your sentiment there on XRP, Ali. We got a bit of a... Oh, there we go. He's gone now. We've lost signal. Not a worry at all. Okay, we got to move on. But thanks, Ali, for calling in. So hopefully you all learned a little bit there from that. Oh, Ali's in and out. I think RTC disconnected. I've never seen that before. What's all that about? Okay. Anyway. That's it. I think we are done. We're going to go over now to the Tesla earnings. Still trying to bounce off this level here, 172. This is where I bought it a few moments ago. If it does, I'll buy some more. So what we're going to do now is we're going to end the show. We're not doing day trader of the day. We want to come straight back with the Tesla earnings. So we're going to end this show. If you want to be the first person there, we go live before anybody else does Tesla. We're always early for it. Here is the Tesla earnings. We're going to be there right now. I'm going to end this stream and come right back with the Tesla earnings. So if you stay where you are, it'll go directly to it. But if I give you the link, here you go. You can go there right now and already get yourself at a front row seat. I'll carry on buying more Tesla, and I look forward to seeing you there in a few moments' time. So we're going to end the stream straight away. We're not going to mess around. I think we've got everyone's comments. Keaton S. said, what's Dan Hart's motivation? That is a very good question. I've no idea why he's spreading information at the moment about the next flight from Virgin Orbit when the company is closing down. I've got no idea why he's doing what he's doing. Sorry, Martyn, not sure what happened. Full Wi-Fi signal. We'll call in on Friday for Crypto Roundup. No worry, Sensei. Don't worry about it. It's probably my end. It's probably me. It's probably me pressing the wrong button. I probably just pressed the delete one. I was sick of you. I don't know. Anyway, I'm going to carry on watching Tesla. It's at 173, right on the button. So we'll see you back in a few minutes' time. I'm going to end the stream there, and I'll be back in about 5-10 minutes' time, give myself a chance to reboot our system, and we'll be right back for Tesla earnings. In the meantime, as always, take care of yourself, take care of your money, your crypto, and each other. See you back